Rotten down diddly out and rotten down da and a rotten down diddly out and deaton down do that dum down rotten down a rotten deaton da further do with the rotten down diddly out and da rotten down diddly out and rotten down da and a rotten down diddly out and deaton down do that dum down rotten down a rotten deaton da further do with the rotten down diddly out and da rotten down diddly out and rotten down da and a rotten down diddly out and deaton down do that dum down rotten down a rotten deaton da further do with the rotten down diddly out and da. I am a little beggar man, a begging I have been for 3 score and more in this little Isle of Green. I'm known from the Liffey down to Seguin, and I'm known by the name of old Johnny Doo. Of all the trades that's going, Asher begging is the best. For when a man is tired, he can sit down and rest. He can beg for his dinner, he has nothing else to do. Only cut around the corner with his old rigadoo. I stepped in the barn right down a caravan. A wet night came on and I slept till the dawn. With holes in the roof and the rain coming through, and the rats and the cats, they were playing peekaboo. But who did awaken but the woman of the house, with her white spotty apron and her calico blouse. She began to frighten and I said, boo, Ara, don't be afraid, ma'am, it's only Johnny Doo. I met a little flaxy-haired girl one day. Good morning, little flaxy-haired girl, I could say. Good morning, little beggar man, and how do you do? With your rags and your tights and your old rigadoo. I'll buy you a pair of leggings and a collar and a tie, and a nice young lady I'll fetch by and by. I'll buy you a pair of goggles and colour them blue, and an old-fashioned lady I will make her too. Over the road with me packed on me back, over the fields with me great heavy sack, with holes in me shoes and me toes peeping through, singing skinny-rinky-doodle-o and old Johnny Doo. I must be going to bed for it's getting late at night, the fire's all raked and out goes the light. So now you've heard the story of me old rigadoo, it's goodbye and I'll be with you, says old Johnny Doo.